In this video, we're going to be breaking down this really simple patio table and fridge. It's really awesome and not too complicated. And this entire thing is built by Hector, and he used 3/4 inch EMT conduit and maker pipe connectors. If you're unfamiliar with those materials, you can get steel tubing known as EMT conduit at your local hardware home improvement store. We like to get it at Do It Best or True Value if you've got one of those close by. And then these fittings are something that we manufacture in upstate South Carolina, and we ship them all over the country to people that are building all kinds of awesome stuff. And right now, we only sell them in silver. We don't have them in black anymore. This was a build that was shared a while ago by Hector, but you can paint the connectors really easily if you want black, or the silver looks good too. But essentially, this is going to be built the same way, even with the different colored connectors. And this is a really awesome build. And we'll just go ahead and kind of screenshot this and just kind of walk through the design. And he actually used a really cool technique for this because obviously these fridges are not going to be the lightest thing in the world. So what he did is there is 6 verticals in total. He's got 3 in the front and then 3 in the back. But he did a really unique technique for this, which was creating this rectangular frame first at the bottom using the MakerPipe 90-degree connector in the corners. And this allows him to basically have that vertical post running through the middle of the connection. And then he has these pieces of conduit going from the front 90 to the back 90. And he did the same thing on both sides to do that. And then he did a really clever technique, which was using the MakerPipe 4-way connector kind of flipped over on its side, as you can see here. So instead of this vertical post running continuously through it, it kind of terminates here and there's a short stub, and then terminates here and goes up. And this allowed him to basically maintain and keep this horizontal piece one continuous span from one side to the other, as you can see there. And that's essentially how you would build a rectangle on the bottom. And then up top is going to be very similar, where you use 90-degree connectors in the corners to make the rectangle at the very top. And then I believe he's using either 90s flipped over there or T connectors here, which would allow you to just grab onto this, and then this vertical post would just terminate inside the connection. If he is using 90s, then essentially it's just going to be the same thing that we saw with the 90s in the corners, except flipped over, and then that piece is just running to the back to another 90 back there. But that's pretty much the main part of the frame. But he did something really cool to make sure that this was strong and supported for the fridges, of course. And so what he did was he actually grabbed on down here on top of the 90, is directly next to it is a T connector that he added so he could add a piece of conduit from one side to the other right above the 90. And the reason he did this was so he could connect onto that. And if you look closely here, you can see where he's actually got 2 pieces of EMT conduit resting on top of those supports going from front to back. And this allowed him to basically kind of support these horizontal spans with that piece of conduit. And instead of using connections to kind of break up the span, he's leaving them all together one piece and then resting them on top. And that's going to provide a lot of support for the fridges and keep it from bending the conduit over time, which is really cool. Looks nice. He's got 2 fridges in there. And then kind of finish off the build by getting a countertop. I think he said he got it at Lowe's. And then that countertop, of course, just rests on top of the frame. And then you can secure those with things like 1-hole straps or 2-hole straps. And you can kind of secure those in place there really simply. And then I think the last thing for the build is he used rubber pipe feet on the very bottom of the verticals. This works well on projects, just kind of finishes off and makes it looks nice and keeps it from, sliding around if you're on a surface like this that would, kind of be easy to slide back and forth across. But really simple overall, not too complicated, and just a really great project to keep, especially if you've got like a pool outside or a really nice, patio that's covered. Then you want to be able to have drinks and food outside without having to run back inside or back and forth inside. This is a really awesome idea and just really cool. So thanks so much, Hector, for sharing this. A really awesome job, and we appreciate you posting it. If you enjoyed this, leave a like and consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.